Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use the QuickBooks Workforce app. So as you can see right here, I am only using the web browser and then we're just getting this information from Play Store since we cannot really access the actual tool since we don't have account from the workforce application. But still, we are going to discuss the important details about the app. So, if your employer uses QuickBooks Payroll, there's a good chance that they're going to invite you to use the QuickBooks Workforce application. Okay, so that's how it works. You need to be invited in order for you to log in to the Workforce app. So instead of asking your HR department for every pay stub or tax form, the workforce gives the employee secure access to payroll information right from their phone or their computer. Okay, so again, we don't really have the access to a live workforce account, so I won't be logging into the app during this tutorial. Instead, we are going to base this tutorial um, on the Intuit's official documentation and publicly available resources so you can still understand how the app works before using it yourself. Okay, so the QuickBooks Workforce is a secure employee self service portal that works with QuickBooks Payroll. Instead of contacting your employer whenever you need payroll information, the workforce allows you to access many of those details yourself. So, depending on how your employer has figured payroll, you may be able to view your paychecks, download the pay stubs, access the W 2 or other available tax forms, and update certain personal information. And then you can also view the paid time off balances if enabled and receive the payroll notifications. So, the exact features you see may vary depending on your employer's payroll settings. Okay, so yeah, accept your employer's invitation. Now, before you can use the workforce, your employer must first invite you. All right, and then you will usually receive an invitation by email. Then you just have to open your email and click the accept invitation. If you already have an Intuit account, just have to simply sign in. And if not, you'll create one using your email address and a secure password. So be sure to use the same email address where you receive the invitation whenever possible. Okay? The next one is you have to verify your account. So for security purposes, Intuit may ask you to verify your identity. So this can include confirming your email address, entering a verification code, and then completing a multi-factor authentication. And once the verification is complete, your workforce account will be activated. Okay, so next is you just have to download the QuickBooks Workforce app from Apple Store or Play Store. And then after installing the app, you just have to sign in using your Intuit account, the one that you have created. And then if you prefer, you can also access the workforce through your web browser. And once you sign in successfully, you will arrive at your employee dashboard. Okay. Now, one of the most common reasons employees use the workforce is to view their paychecks. So you just have to tap on the paycheck section. Okay, so that one right there. And then you'll usually see here the pay date, gross pay, taxes withheld, and then we also have the deductions, the net pay, and then the direct deposit information if applicable. You can also open individual pay stubs to review additional payroll details. Okay, now if you would like to download the tax forms when the tax season arrives, the workforce makes it easier to access your payroll tax documents. So if your employer enabled the electronic tax forms, okay, so you can view and download forms such as your W 2, directly from the app or the web portal. So this saves time because you don't have to wait for a paper copy if electronic delivery is available. And then the next one is you have to update your personal information. So, depending on your personal information, okay, so the workforce may allow you to update certain personal details. All right, so your home address, your phone number, and then your email address and the emergency contact information. And some employers may restrict these changes, requiring updates to go through HR instead. And yes, you have to check time off and notification. So if your employer uses supported payroll features, workforce may also let you view the available paid time off balances and then review leave information, receive the payroll notifications, and then get alerts when new paychecks become available. So these features help the employees stay informed without contacting the payroll every time they have questions. And then, yeah, you have to enable the notifications here in the Workforce app so you'll know when a new paycheck is available. And then you have to use a strong password and enable the multi-factor authentication for added account security. And then you have to keep your email addresses up to date so you don't miss the important payroll notifications. And remember that if we cannot access certain features, it is often because your employer has not enabled them in the QuickBooks payroll. Okay, so yeah, again, this is the actual application. Let me just show you that. Right, this is the icon for that. So you just have to download this one or install this from Play Store or your App Store. Okay, so if you are using your you know Apple device, so you can also get this application from the App Store. Okay, so yeah, from reviewing your paychecks and downloading the tax form to managing your personal information and checking the payroll notifications, the workforce makes it much easier for employees to access important payroll information anytime and from almost everywhere. Okay, so again, for added security, make sure that you have a strong password because all of the information that you have here is confidential for your work. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.